Pitso Mosimane is reportedly in talks over a return back to Saudi Arabia. Yeah, so the club that wants Pitso services is called Abha Club. Yeah, they are languishing in the Saudi Pro League top flight. They are languishing in 17th place, and yeah, they might be relegated because competition is tough now in the Saudi Pro Leagues. Yeah, some teams have superstars, so competing is not easy, especially for a club like Abha Club. Yeah, there are also a few superstars like your Carl Tokwe Kambi and Grigos Krikoviak. Yeah, so it's also a good team, but they are struggling, and if they don't pull their socks up, they might be relegated. So what do you think of Pitso Mosimane finally going to coach in the Saudi Pro League? Because we know last year, after he helped Al Ahly Saudi, they decided not to renew his contract to coach in the top flight, so he just promoted them from the second division to the top flight. So now he has a chance to go and finally coach in the top flight, where there are superstars like N'Golo Kante, Karim Benzema, Cristiano Ronaldo, all those players. So what do you think of this move by Pitso Mosimane?